At Simon Gratz High School, we empower students to turn their passions into careers through dynamic career and technical education programming. CTE is more than just classes. It's about combining knowledge and real-world experience to give students a head start in high-demand fields. Our CTE program at Simon Gratz is designed to inspire and prepare students for post-secondary success. With 3 pathways: communications technology, healthcare technology, and hospitality management and culinary arts. We provide hands-on training and industry-aligned instruction that sets students up for success. Students earn certifications, gain real-world experience, and build connections that last a lifetime. Let's explore each pathway. In our communications technology pathway, creativity meets innovation. Students learn to shape the future of media through skills such as web design, photography, video production, and animation. We also have students dive into extensive studies of Adobe Photoshop and Final Cut Pro. These credentials open doors to careers in graphic design, TV production, and web development. Our healthcare technology pathway is for students passionate about transforming lives. From learning how to use medical equipment to gaining hands-on clinical experience through partnerships with Temple University and the Greater Philadelphia Health Action Incorporated, we prepare them for impactful careers. Students earn certifications such as Red Cross First Aid, CPR, AED, which provide them with the skills to step into roles like nursing assistants or medical technicians. In hospitality management and culinary arts, students learn the art of food preparation, menu planning, and food safety. Our hands-on training prepares them for exciting careers in the food service and hospitality industries. Students earn ServSafe certifications and gain real-world experience in the culinary and hospitality industries, enabling them to step into roles such as chef, event planner, or hotel manager after graduation. At Simon Gratz, our CTE programs are building pathways to success. Whether your passion is creativity, healthcare, or hospitality, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Ready to turn your passion into a career? Visit masterycharter.org/CTE to learn more and apply today.